Right, good afternoon everyone. Today I'm going to be installing a new gizmo on my bike. I'll show you exactly what that is. This little gadget here. Bike kit. That's who it's made by, but I think these are universal, branded by all different people. And it's a throttle stop, and that's going on my Honda CBF1000. So I should do a little video with me fumbling about with screwdrivers, I suppose. See how easy it is. I've watched a few YouTube vids and it looks fairly straightforward. So let's go and give it a bash. So without further ado, let's get on out into the garage. Right, well here we are then. I'm hoping you'll be able to see what I'm doing there from that camera angle. So yeah, so basically there it all is in the packet. I sort of read the instructions briefly. Let's get it out of the packet and have a go. Right, it's down below there somewhere. Well, they certainly make a good job of putting it in the packet. The mission just getting it out of the packet. Yeah, just loosening off the brake reservoir. Christ, I'm trying to anyway. It's bloody strong. Well, that was certainly done up tight. Right. Right, yeah, I'm going to need a bit of rubber sleeving. Right, so that's going to have to come back out. Right, this is probably not going to be a 5-minute job now. Well, this is a lot trickier than I thought it would be. Right, so that's the arm on. Right, so now I'm just loosening these pinch screws on this. This is the bit that goes over the throttle housing. But that was a bit of a faff getting that clamp on, I've got to be honest. But it's on now, that first clamp. Let's see how well the rest of it all Holds together. Okay. Right, so
What are you checking?
I've bought a throttle lock which I'm just fitting on.
What's that, like a
Like a cruise control thing, yeah, so when obviously in the fucking motorways and that, just flick it on. Because I hate motorways and that, as soon as I'm on them I get dead hand. Fucking 10 minutes I've got a fucking dead hand. I thought it's only a cheap one, cost me about 27 quid. If it does the fucking job.
absolutely, if it works.
But like all these things, I thought, well, I watched a few videos on YouTube. It looks a piece of fucking cake. 5-minute job's going to be a fucking hour's job.
Yeah, waste away. Waste away.
Alright, so it's screwed down. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is turning out to be more than a 5-minute job. Oh, faff, 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 faff. Right, that's as tight as that's going to go. Right, so now there's a white. Right, so she's on now. Oh, right. Oh, that's good. The bolt was snapped. So yeah, fitting it, trying to tighten it up, the bolt was just snapped. So it's not working. Right. Great. So that was a waste of time and money. So, anything I can do. Oh. Well, that's great, that is. So far, yes, I wouldn't recommend buying one of these. Spent all that time and effort, and the bolt snapped. Right. I don't know what we're going to do. Take it back off, I suppose. It ain't no fucking good like that. Just wonder whether. Take this out. So yeah, I'll take this out, I'll show you what snaps. So yeah, basically this bolt here, which has the spring on it, snapped. Trying to tighten it down to get adjustment on it, snapped. So I've got to try and find a bolt with an eye on the end. That ain't going to be easy, is it? If I don't find one like that, the whole thing's useless. Well, I'll have to have a try down B&Q and that tomorrow. Oh, that's fucking giving me the ump. I mean, basically, what's supposed to happen is that's supposed to grip when you lock it. Like that. But it's no good. So folks, as it stands, would I recommend the Bike It Universal Motorcycle Throttle Lock? No. Save your money, don't bother. Well, I hope some of you found this video useful. I've just wasted an hour of my time. Anyway, I shall say over and out for now, and if I manage to get another bolt, we'll try it again. Until then, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. Stay safe, people.